Now?
Streaming. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, great. So you are aware that we talked about active and passive transformations in Informatica in our previous lecture. There are three properties by which we can identify active transformations. The first one is they change the number of rows which are coming in. The second condition is they change the transaction boundary. The third condition is they change the row type. Now, what do we mean by three of these? The first one is pretty clear, changing the number of rows which are passing through it. Suppose we are passing 10 rows through a particular transaction. If it's an active transformation, it is going to change in the number of rows which are coming in and going out. The second condition was changing the transaction boundary. Now, transaction boundary, as you are aware, is defined by commit and rollback. In Informatica, in order to define the transaction boundary, we have a transformation called transaction control. The third one is change in the row type. It means it will change the type of row, whether it is a insert row or a update row, when it is flowing through the transformation. The example of such transformation is update strategy. So today we are going to discuss about router transformation, which is an active transformation. Router transformation is an active transformation. We'll see in a bit that why it is an active transformation, okay? Now consider a data set. Cells, area, item, amount. Let me call it sales ID. So for sales ID 100 in area Houston, the item being biscuits, the amount of sales is 1000 1000 packets. For sale ID 101, the area is Pune, the item is pan, the number of units sold in that particular area is 2000. For sales ID 102, the area being Bangalore, the item being water can, the number of units that are sold in Bangalore corresponding to water can is 5000. And I'm just creating some random data, okay? $500. So this is our table. The name of this table is is cells. Now from this table, we want to find out the items for which the amount is less than 1000. Okay? So look at the data and tell me the items for which the amount is less than 1000. These two?
103 and
104, right?
Mm-hmm.
Second, we want to select the items for which the sales quantity is greater than 1000 but less than 5000. Greater than or equal to 1000 but less than 5000.
Top three.
So that would be 100 and 101, right?
Less than 5,000. Okay.
And third is the item for which the sales amount is equal to 5000 or greater than 5000. So 102. How will we write SQL queries corresponding to this? Select star from cells where amount less than equal to 1000. Sorry. Select star from cells where amount less than 1000. That would be the first result. Second result is select star from cells where amount is less than equal to 5000. So it will give these two results to us. Third one will be select star from cells where amount is greater than equal to 5000. Okay. So observe the activity we did here. We divided our data into three separate parts. First part will be 100 and 101, second will be 102, and third will be 103 and 104. Okay? So I'm going to write the conditions corresponding to it. Condition 1. Condition 1 would be amount less than 1000. Condition 2 will be amount less than 5000, and condition 3 would be
Is it less than 5,000 full?
amount less than 5000. In condition 3 will be amount greater than equal to 5000.
My question is that in condition 2, is it going to give you also 1,000?
I'm coming to it. I'm coming to that part. Okay. But the problem with this is, have we covered the full portion of our pie chart? Let's look at condition.
No.
Let's suppose our pie chart is divided into these three areas. So from condition 1, we are successfully selecting this area. From condition 2, we are successfully selecting this area, but we are also selecting this area. That makes this condition 2 invalid. So we have to alter this condition, and we have to put a condition where amount is greater than equal to 1000 and amount is less than 5000. And condition 3 would be amount greater than equal to 5000. So from this we are very well able to select this portion 3. Now there are many scenarios where we have to divide our data into multiple parts. We can achieve this using router transformation in Informatica. Just like I have put the conditions over here, in our router transformation we'll be putting the conditions, and that will divide the data for us. Clear?
Mm-hmm.